This is my stair home. First, to make them awesome, I think about fire, lasers or explosion to add on those steps, but I can't find anything daily usable. So instead I will just add some lasers. This stair is straight, so it will allow me to make fancy animation extremely easily. There is 11 steps on this one. On each step is a simple board. I will add an independent RGB LED strip under all those boards, and all of them cumulated create like a screen. Also, I noticed that each step slightly bends behind my weight. So I will use this bending to evaluate the weight on each step and use it as input for my giant LED screen. I don't know what it is. To make this project, I will start by developing only one step using Luos technology, because Luos is my thing. Luos already have a lot of examples I will be able to reuse, and also I have a lot of Luos boards available, so I will directly use them for this project. Also, Luos will allow me to create only one step and just copy paste this board on all the steps, and all of those steps will work together. Let me know in the comment if you want me to make it work on Arduino, and if this video have a lot of likes, perhaps I will make it. This stairs is clearly over-engineered. As the me of the past mentioned, there is one addressable LED strip under each of these steps. As you can see, I added this sensor here, which is evaluating the deformation of the steps. Also, each step has its own board. Both of the LED strip and the sensor is connected to this board. Then, all the boards are connected through those wires, and those wires allow to enable the communication between all the boards. Also, under those stairs, I added some power cables allowing to power up all the LED strips. When the system boots, the first step, the one on the bottom here, will detect all the other one and scale the size of the complete screen based on the number of steps detected. Also, to update all those boards, it's kind of extremely boring because I have to unwire absolutely everything and to plug an USB on each board to upload the new version of the firmware on all of them. It takes like an hour each time I want to update it. So to avoid this, I installed the Luos bootloader. This bootloader allows me to upload all the firmwares of all the boards using one USB connection on the bottom and to update all of them with one simple command line. This is only the beginning of this project. Now, because this is working with Luos, I can add new features, and I will continue to work on this and add new features on those steps. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and to comment if you have any questions. Also, you can directly ask me on Discord, so you can use the link on the description. And if you want to learn more about how I developed the code and about the hardware on those steps, everything is available on the GitHub link I'll share on the description too. See you for the next one, guys.